Yo, Discord crew, welcome to 1 Minute IT Shot. Want to add a music bot to your server in 2025? This few-minute guide's super cool. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Head to the app directory on your Discord app. Search for Chip, click Add App, then pick the server you want the bot in and hit Continue. Next, in your server, click Create Channel. Choose Voice Channel, name it something fun like Music Zone, then click Create Channel. Now, in the Message tab, type /play followed by your favorite track. Hit Enter and boom, music's jamming. That's it, you're a bot master. Drop your favorite music bot in the comments. Oh, and don't forget, smash that like button and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more. Peace out and keep vibing.